I used to be on my phone for hours watching social media and I used to play video games. Now I'm here working on my business at 5 a.m., learning hard calisthenics skills and building muscle in the gym while still surviving in school. Most people cannot even get up and do something that's a little hard. They basically just procrastinate everything. Just know that meditation changed it all for me. So here's what meditation can help you with when you train. It will help you with the cut. It will help you be more consistent in the gym. It will help you with your mind muscle connection in skills. And it will help you with the discipline because it restores your dopamine receptors. And just as a bonus, if you have a girlfriend or you're interested in girls, it helps a lot with them. Meditation helps a lot. So if that's one of your interests and you don't care about the rest, just watch the rest of this video. I'll tell you exactly how to meditate. Let me just go over each and every one of those points that I just made. So how does meditating help you with your gut? This actually goes really deep. How does this help with your gut? Like meditating, you're sitting and breathing. How does this help with you losing fat? It helps with your mental health. I don't know if you know this, but many of the bad habits, like you're scrolling on social media, playing games, staying up late, eating junk food, comes from bad mental health. If you have bad mental health, it's probably like some trauma or it can be a lot of things, but basically it's not healed, right? And you doing the bad habits covers that up. Meditation is one of the greatest habits to improve your mental health, which leads to you losing more fat. It's like you don't want to eat as much. If you have bad mental health, you'll come home. It's like you don't fucking enjoy life. You'll come home from school, you'll put your bag down, and you'll just go look what's in the kitchen. Open the fridge, see some junk food, and you'll just eat it. It's really as simple as that. You'll just eat it because it's like, yeah, I had a shit day. Yeah, this won't do anything. I probably need some extra carbs anyway. Like some fucking cope or excuse will just come into your mind. It's like bad mental health is worse for your gut than food. So meditation will definitely help you out. The next one is being more consistent in the gym. Like this is pretty common sense. Like you having a stronger mind, you can catch yourself. I don't want to go to the gym today. It's a little bit warm. Yeah, my rest day is actually Sunday, but I heard rest is really good for recovery, so I'll just take it off today. Some excuse will come into your mind. You will catch yourself if you do meditation, and you'll just be more consistent in the gym. Now, the next one is really interesting, being able to learn the calisthenic skills faster. Like one arm handstand, that's what I'm training for right now. Me doing the one arm handstand requires mind muscle. I need to be present. Like I cannot be thinking of what am I gonna eat when I come home. Like I cannot do that shit when I'm in my set. Believe it or not, your brain always goes like fucking is basically never there. But in calisthenics, it needs to be present. You need to be there. You need to do the skill with full intent. Meditation helps you to stay present. This is also what helps with the girls. Like you talk with them, let's say in your fucking class, at work, or just some. If you're not a social autist, you'll go talk to her in public. You'll be present in the conversation. You'll actually fucking listen to what she says, and you won't be in your mind. Oh, what the fuck do I reply next? Or you want to approach it, oh, what am I gonna say? Like, you're just gonna be in the moment. You're just basically everything just improves, especially if you are in a relationship. So let me just go back to the mind muscle. You doing something like the one arm handstand, front lever planche, handstand push up, literally fucking every skill requires some mind muscle connection. You improve the cycle if you do it with more intent. Like I said, you actually focus. Okay, lean like this. Okay. Oh, that didn't work. Let me try this. Let me try this. Like you just do way more. Then mindlessly, okay, attempt. Okay, let me rest. Okay, attempt. Okay, sure, let me rest. Like obviously, you will make way more progress. This is actually, I've never heard someone. I saw, I don't know what the fuck his name is, but he's the first person that I ever saw talk about meditation other than me. Like, I always knew this concept because I have common sense. Then I saw it was like a YouTube video, and he was trying to fucking, sell me. He was saying, yeah, okay, this is in my program, yeah, and meditation was one of those things. I was like, what the fuck? I was right this whole time. It actually does make a fucking difference. And the next one is discipline because it will restore your fried receptors. Okay, like the next minute or two is going to be a little bit more, I don't know, scientific. So if this is boring for you, you can just skip. So how this works is you have a baseline of dopamine, right? This is basically your motivation, your discipline. If you do good dopamine spikes, you spike your dopamine, like say cold shower, go for a walk, read. You spike your dopamine in a good and healthy way. You flirt with a girl, it stays there. Like your discipline, motivation, everything goes up, up, up. But if you eat shit food, it spikes, but it crashes down below. You eat shit food, let's say, what the fuck? Like every single bad habit, you watch porn, you fap, you stay up late, every bad thing that you can do decreases your discipline and motivation. That's fucking crazy. But if you meditate, guess what? That's one of the best healthy dopamine spikes that you can get. It regulates your dopamine. Like social media, it fucking destroys everything. You scrolling on Instagram, TikTok, your brain gets fried. You get bad mental health from that shit. Meditating will fix that. Obviously not if you do both at the same time, because it's like this. You need to stop one for it to work. But you just doing this, it's already gonna be progress. So if you just meditate 3 minutes a day, bro, that's fucking awesome. Like you made so much progress in every area of your life because meditation is just the best. I'm not over exaggerating. You skipping meditation is like the worst thing you can do. Just don't do it, man. Now let me go over how to meditate. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Let me just put this diagram in your mind. So the first one is you focusing on something, your breath, maybe you're fucking looking at a chair while you're breathing. Like you need to take deep breaths, not out in your chest, in your stomach. 4 seconds in if you can, 6 out. While focusing on something, so you can literally close your eyes, just focus on your breath, you can focus on a sound. This is the first step. The second step is you losing the focus. Many people actually think, oh shit, I lost focus, I failed. No, this is part of meditation. You losing your focus, let's say at the next point. That's where you come back. That is the third step. So you lose focus is literally a step. What am I gonna eat? Or what the fuck does the newspaper say? I don't know who gives a shit about that. Or what's going on in, I don't know, our fucking city. I don't know. Like, just anything will randomly will come in your mind. Oh yeah, Sarah said this today. I wonder what you meant by like, like some fucking random thing will just come into your mind. Next step is you catching yourself in the thought. So focus, lose focus, catch yourself. Last step, bring yourself back to what you focused. This is your rep. Like if you do a gym rep, like that's you practicing, right? If you let me explain it in the terms. Let's say you played a game, where it's like fucking XP. I don't know if you ever heard about this, but you like level up in a game and you get some XP. This is literally it. You level up in your meditation skill. If you bring your focus back, like the losing, nothing else literally matters. You should lose your focus to be able to realize, to be able to bring your focus back. This is where you basically make the progress in the skill called meditation. Yes, it's a skill and you improve the skill over time. You can go from 30 minutes, 4 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Like you improving it over a few months. It's literally the most life-changing thing that you can do. Don't believe me? Try it out. My friends who have tried this, they literally thank me for it. It's the best thing that you can do. Everyone will have excuses like, fine, if you start like over a week or 2 weeks because I need to think about it, that term is so gay. thinking about it. Now, fuck you. Stop thinking about it. Just go meditate. You'll feel more present today. Meditate 5 minutes. It's not that easy for a beginner, but try to do it. Like you, literally minute one, you'll be like, how far am I? How far am I? How far am I? Just do it more and more and more, and you'll get better. Let me just tell you a story of with the, let's say you have a girlfriend and you don't meditate. We're practicing some gay dances in school. I don't know what the fuck it's actually for, but I looked to my right and I saw this, let's say it was a guy and his girlfriend sitting next to each other. The guy was playing this game called Brawl Stars on his phone. And I saw his girlfriend just looking at him. But she had like a depressed face. You can see she was like, literally, she didn't want to be there. She was like, come on. She literally opened the phone to get the game just to play with him. That's fucking sad. Like, oh, it sounds so cool to play games with your girlfriend, right? No. You looking into her eyes, being present, is more than you playing a game with her. So she downloaded the game, she just played with him, but she still had this depressing thing of, oh, okay, so what? Oh, okay, so we're just doing, oh, okay, yeah, okay. Like, you being present, you just stopping the bullshit, bad habits, meditating will help your relationship, even with your parents, skyrocket. If this is a more interest for you than like the gym, I only link it to the gym because this is my niche, but meditation helps with everything. This is why I'm making a video on this, just to give you the message of just do it, bro. You're obviously gonna have some excuses, but just do it. Maybe you'll fall off, like you'll do it for a few days, then you forget for 3 days. It's okay, just start. Just start at 30 seconds. Just get the gym analogy. Progressive overload, just start small. You don't have to do minutes on minutes, just start. Right now, after this video, pause, go set a timer on your phone for like 30 seconds, then just meditate there. It's that simple. Just start, and you will start making progress in every area of your life. Start right now. This is my philosophy. Don't wait. Literally start right now. Hope you have an amazing day. Bye bye.